compiling TypeScript file into JavaScript and setting up the basic configuration file. So let's start with creating our first variable in TypeScript. Let my name, which is string, equals and the name max. So here we declared our first variable, my name, and its type to be string. This is our first variable in TypeScript. Now let's see how we can compile TypeScript file into JavaScript file. For it, open up your terminal, and in terminal we have to run a command to compile TypeScript file into JavaScript file, that is tsc and our file name. My file name is index.ts. Whatever file name you have given, you will type it here and enter, and it will create a JavaScript file. So a TypeScript file is compiled into JavaScript file by just this simple command. Now to set up a configuration file, we got the another command, that is tsc-init. It will create a config.json file, and as you will see here that most of the part is commented out. We do not have to know all about this, but the basic things are like target, which version of a JavaScript we are using, 2016, 17, 20 or so on. You can write here your version of JavaScript. The tsconfig.json file has given us 2016 version, but if I want to use 20 version, I will write 2020, or any version you prefer, you can write it over here. I'm just leaving it to 2016. The next thing we need to know about is, when you scroll down in modules, you will see that we have got rootdir and more. As you will scroll down in emit, you will see we got outer. What are those two? When using TypeScript with frameworks like React or any other framework which you are using, TypeScript and JavaScript file will not be in the same folder. They would be in different folder. So for that we use outer and rootdir. Rootdir will contain a TypeScript file and our folder would be source folder, and outer will contain a JavaScript file. So let's uncomment this, and the folder name which will contain JavaScript file would be dist. Okay, let's save this and let's create two folder here, that is one dist and another folder called src. Our index file would be in the source folder, and let's delete our JavaScript file here and type up the command tsc, and it will create our index file in this folder. See, it created here. So this is how we can set up our configuration file. And if you want to know more about all of this, you can read here the comments what all of these does. So I hope it clear how we can compile TypeScript file into JavaScript file, and how we can basically set up a configuration file for TypeScript. So this is all for this video. I hope it cleared all the parts. In next video, we will talk about the types used in TypeScript. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in next video. Bye.